Garlic acts as natural insect repellent. Garlic is insect repellent. Garlic bulbs have an amino acid that changes to allicin when crushed, blended or chopped. The classic odor released as a result of this transformation has many powerful properties. Books have been written in bulk on the magical powers of garlic, most famously concerning vampires. When garlic extract is absorbed by plants, a biochemical change takes place in the plant foliage, causing it to enthusiastically repel insects. Insects, like some humans, do not like garlic breath and it causes them to stay away. Insects are naturally repulsed by the presence of garlic extract in garlic solutions. Therefore, garlic as insect repellent works well on humans, sensitive trees, shrubs and turf that traditional treatments could harm. Garlic is a natural solution that produces results effective enough to compete with some synthetic products. Garlic as mosquito repellent. Mosquitoes are often seen as an itchy nuisance. The World Health Organization considers mosquitoes to be the deadliest animals on the planet because of the diseases they communicate. There are more than 3,000 species of mosquitoes all over the world and roughly 175 within the United States. Mosquitoes are not only annoying, but also potentially dangerous. People can be allergic to their bites, making outdoor summer jaunts a wretched experience. Even if you're not bothered by mosquitoes, you likely still want to prevent these pests from biting. Eating large amounts of freshly chopped raw garlic offers protection from mosquitoes, both from the odor on your breath, as well as sulfur compounds emitted through your skin. The only way to consume this much raw garlic is by chopping it up and swallowing it by the spoonful with a pleasant-tasting juice as a chaser. The pungent aroma of garlic is known to repel mosquitoes, so lathering your body with a garlic-infused lotion can also help. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.